Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how inspection reports can make you 10 times what they cost. My name is Travis Oglesby. I started investing in 2016. Since then, I've flipped well over 400 homes at this point. My single family portfolio is 19 million and it cash flows $30,000 per month. And I'm documenting my way to 50 grand a month in net cash flow. We've got a simple, repeatable process, and I'm here to show you guys how we do it. So for those of you that are familiar with inspection reports, you always ask for an investor inspection report. All right, guys, so what is an investor inspection report? And so the difference between like your normal homeowner report and the investor inspection report, that's what you see right here, is the difference in the investor inspection report. One, costs less. So instead of like $500-600, they're usually $300 to $400 each. So they are significantly less. But what they do is they are very quick and they're extremely effective for what we need to know. And so think if you were a homeowner, if you guys have ever bought a house before, right? Like look at this, my background, right? It's good. You got stuff all over the place. You guys care about every single outlet. You care about every single thing working in here, like every little light bulbs, everything. You care about them working. But as an investor, you're going to probably change the outlets anyway because they're typically always staying in every single home you ever do. You don't care that light bulbs are out because you're probably changing fixtures. And so there's so many little bitty things that you don't necessarily care that they work. But you do care that HVACs are good, roofs are good, and all of the major mechanicals are good in a home. So basically all of the things that are going to cost $5,000 and above, you want to know they work. Everything that basically costs $100 and below, you don't care if it does, right? If my $7 light bulb or 50-cent light bulb doesn't work, you're okay with that because you're going to replace them anyway. And so asking for an inspection report can absolutely change the way you do things. And there's so many things in an inspection report. Look at all this. It seems overwhelming. I'll tell you guys what I like to do is they have a summary tab here. So let's just scroll down to page 46. They're typically here more towards the bottom. And it'll say summary. Let's see if we're close. There you go. Summary. And it has all of the info you really need right here. Like roof was covered, needs replacement, damaged shingles. Cool. Got it. Need a new roof. So, oh yeah, for sure. Need a new roof here. Wall cladding, fascia and trim, repair or replace. That's a very common term in inspection reports. Look at the picture. Definitely going to need some paint and caulk ain't covering that one. You have to fix that one. Let's keep going. It's got more trim, damage. Oh, there we go. Look at, I don't even have to put a dog door in. So look at that. Okay, going to have to replace those windows. Probably can't repair, probably going to replace. And so you can see how simple this becomes. Look, this is one line here. For those of you that inspection reports, they feel intimidating to you. They're not. Read the summary section. Oh, look at that overgrowth. That should be really easy. I don't know if you guys get poison ivy. I do. I'm definitely not cleaning that up. Looks like they've just been throwing it out the window onto the side there. Okay, that's a cheap garbage disposal. So guys, what you're looking for in here is the major things that are going to cost you money. And the way that these make you 10 times what they typically cost. So this inspection report cost me $350. And this seller never told me anything about a roof needing to be replaced. You can see here, there's multiple shingles just laying on. You can see here, this appears to be an actual hole. Okay, it is definitely a hole. Look at that skylight right there. And so we will have to replace this roof. So this $300 inspection report, I'm going to be taking back to the seller, and it's going to get me an $8,000 roof. I don't know what that math checks out, but that's probably what, 30 times what this cost? And so this is $400 or $300, I think this was $300 inspection report, will make me $8,000. That's how they always make you 10 times or more. Cool. Guys, I hope this video was helpful. If you liked this, please leave a comment, subscribe to our channel. I'll always reply to all of the comments. If you guys don't know Jesus or real estate, I suggest you get to know both.